Okie doke. So this is the Lit Fitness Emergency Survival Kit, and you can see it comes in a cute little box. It's got little hooks here, so you can probably hang it or something. So let's open it up and see what we got. So let's see, first look. Wow, it's got a bunch of stuff in here. So we're gonna see. So it's got one of those blanket things, which is pretty cool. It's got one of those bracelets that has the rope on it, so you can wear that. Not sure why you keep it in the kit, but whatever. Bracelet there. Let's see what this one is here. So let's see what we got inside of this. It is a knife, big, nice, heavy-duty knife, and it's got a little opener thing there and a little pokey thing there, probably to break some windows and stuff. Pretty nice. Here's a little clippy thing. It looks like you can probably hold something with that. I'm not exactly sure what that's for. Figure it out, probably in the instructions somewhere, but let's see. So that's what that looks like. We have a flashlight, a very tiny little flashlight. I'm guessing it's probably going to need batteries unless it's got something in there. Let's see. No, it doesn't light up yet, so it probably needs batteries. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's got like a zoomy thing on there, so let's see. Open up the back here. And yep, gonna need a battery. I don't even know what kind of battery that is. Probably a AA. So we're gonna need that. Let's see what else comes in here. We have this. It's a little emergency fire starter. It's good. It comes with a little flint and steel, so we can do that with a little can opener in it as well. There's an emergency whistle, which is always handy to have. Won't blow it too loud, people are around. Comes with a nice little carabiner with a special lock on it, so you can really keep it sealed. Nice. One of those little saw blade things. I'm not gonna open this up, but where you just kind of saw stuff to open that up. This is I guess a pen. So we got a nice pen, heavy duty pen, with another one of those points that'll probably break into stuff. Pretty nice. And and then that's pretty much it, except for this one last little thing here. It's like one of these little multi-tool things. So it's like a credit card size, and it can have a little can opener, got a little saw blade thing, lots of little pieces in it. Pretty cool. So that's it. So that's the kit. That's the Lit Fitness Emergency Survival Set. We'll see if I can fit it all back in the box now.